हेलो गाइस, सबको मेरा नमस्कार। मेरा नाम है वंशी पगिल्ला। एज वी आर गोइंग फॉर वेडिंग शॉपिंग, दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द क्लोजेस्ट वेडिंग ऑफ माय फैमिली। आई वुड नॉट रिवील इट नाउ, बट आगे आपको पता चलेगा किसके लिए हो रहा है। सो अभी पूरा लेडीज़ का स्पेशल है ये वीडियो, बहुत कंटेंट ओरिएटेड है। प्लीज़ वॉच टिल द एंड, यू वुड लव इट। So we first went to nursing in Hyderabad, which is like basically like a fabric oriented and also the ready-made half sarees and lehengas and sarees shop, which is one of the biggest stores in Hyderabad. So you can see here you will get many things like in cut pieces. You'll also have fabrics like this. As you can see, you have coats for daughter and mother, or like for sisters. You have many options in that. And here if you see these fabrics, these are like starting from 3000, and these are starting from 1000 rupees per meter. So you can take them and you can also make outfit from scratches with that. And as you can see, these are many of the tans are just I say pade hue hai, just many people. I can't take a video of the people, that's the reason I didn't, or else I would love to show how much the crowd was. You people would have been like shocked. इतना भीड़ था भाई, क्या वही बोलूँ मैं. And as I'm trying to show you all the fabrics they have, I was taking sneak peeks here and there to show you that how this actually works and how they are dividing those fabrics, like according to material, according to pattu, according to work, according to less heavy, according to function oriented. They have separated those fabrics. And we were seeing, because my sister wanted an outfit from scratch, so we were thinking that to take a fabric and make it in a half sari, but we are not getting the exact inspo of that fabric where we had in our mind, और vision board में जो भी है वो नहीं मिल रहा था. So we were mostly searching for that, and we are also seeing other shops too. We went and we are seeing other like floors में देख रहे हैं, ऊपर देख रहे हैं for the thing, and we couldn't see it. And we are mostly trying to see what are the fabrics were there for them. And I personally loved this fabric a lot. It was 560 per meter था. मैं सोचा भाई यही क्यों ना ले लूँ, बट फिर मुझे सोचा था like it would be very simple for my engagement, for our the engagement का look के लिए. So I thought बाद में देख लेंगे, पहले उन लोगों का शॉपिंग होने दो. And then I was completely like seeing it, and I would like say it like भाई क्या भरमार पड़ा था. आई एम नॉट किडिंग, जस्ट बिकॉज ये शॉप इतना बड़ा है ना. like I didn't imagine that these many fabrics would be selling in one day. It is having a crazy fan base of this shop especially. And it's not sponsored by the way, but I have just seen the reality, that's the reason I'm saying. And these people also had this ready-made lehengas over there, and I was just taking that video so for that inspiration. You can see your wedding sarees दिखा रहे हैं, and every type of saree materials और sarees भी मिल रहे थे. My mother was keenly interested to sarees. She's a saree queen. She loves sarees. So whenever she's going, she's touching the sarees and going. But for this time, this is not her shopping, is my sister's shopping. So my sister is very keen into this lehengas and lehenga materials and stuff. So we are completely seeing for them. And as you can see, इतना material पड़ा था ना यहाँ, like ऑलरेडी सेमी स्टिच्ड है, रेडीमेड है, और फैब्रिक ओरिएंटेड भी ले सकते हैं. बट समवेयर व्हाट आई फेल्ट, इफ़ यू वांट एनी कस्टमाइज थिंग, इट वुड बी लिटिल बिट कॉस्टली, बिकॉज 2000-3000 का मीटर पड़ रहा है. इवन फॉर लहंगा इट वुड बी 4 मीटर्स, एंड अगेन अ ब्लाउज फॉर 1 मीटर. पूरा मिलके इट वुड बी ऑलमोस्ट लाइक 20K अगेन. सो we thought of seeing for the ready-made, because exact matches भी नहीं मिलते हैं, and it would be again a trouble for us if you're not getting exact matches for that. So we also thought of seeing ready-made things. So we went upside and we thought of seeing them. Then उसके पास हम तरंग भी गए थे. This was another shop in Ameerpet which is very famous for this bridal stuff. So we went and we were seeing there for the engagement oriented lehenga. So we have asked a person to show us. So she was showing some of the reference images or reference things that what we have thought for. But ये भी देख रहे थे, बट समवेयर ये मुझे हमें नहीं लगा कि इतना वर्थ है फंक्शन में पहनने के लिए. इतने खास नहीं दिखे थे हमें. These are like little bit festive wear, and my sister didn't personally like these as much as she have had a vision of a particular half saree thing. So again वहाँ से हम फिर गए थे. We are seeing here, and ये बहुत दिखाए थे, बहुत देखे थे हम. They were very nice and kind. We asked them to show different types and materials, but even they have suggested us these are not like wedding wear. These are like festive wear, छोटे छोटे functions के लिए wear कर सकते हो. You can opt for other things, or else you can go to the Tharang shop. which is in Secunderabad. But हमारे पास इतना टाइम नहीं था, so we went to another store of Narsing, another, so it बहुत beside में ही था. So we thought of going there and experiencing like वो कैसे कैसे वहाँ fabrics है. So we thought here we got some different materials like this which we liked, but हमारा कलर का हिसाब वो नहीं थे. वी वर जस्ट सीइंग दैट कि एक शेड मिल गया तो बस हम ले लेंगे या डाइबल करा लेंगे, बट जो प्रिंट और जो फैब्रिक एग्जैक्ट भी नहीं बट एटलीस्ट सिमिलर भी नहीं मिल रहे थे. सो दैट वाज आवर कंसर्न, बट स्टिल वी वर लाइक ओके, एटलीस्ट वी विल हैव अदर थिंग्स इफ वी कैन चेंज आवर माइंड. बट समवेयर इट डिडंट हैपन एंड वी वर सीइंग मोस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स अगेन. एंड यहाँ भी भाई लोग बहुत सही थे, दे वर शोइंग एवरीथिंग. देन वी वेंट टू अगेन इनटू अनदर शॉप where we are seeing all the dress materials and stuff. These are the lehengas, like you know इस particular shop में either those are most worked, heavy work है, नहीं तो plainest to plain है. Average middle में कुछ भी नहीं है where they feel comfortable. So this is one of the last shop which we went and we were trying to see this. We actually almost finalized this fabric, but ये भी ना कहीं it is always getting for 1300 for a fabric. पूरा मिला के हमें 10,000 हो रहा है. एंड दिस इज़ नॉट द विजन माई सिस्टर हैड, बट स्टिल वी लाइक द फैब्रिक, वी थॉट ऑफ टेकिंग इट, बट वी आर नॉट गेटिंग एग्जैक्ट मैच ऑफ दैट ब्लाउज एंड द चुन्नी. The chunnis which they are showing are not good, and we don't have a time of going out and getting it because everyone does works, and you know weekends are the only time where they could shop. And we were trying to see it, अगर कुछ भी मैच हुआ तो ले लेंगे, थोड़ा पैसे भी ज़्यादा हुआ तो ठीक है चलेगा, but that didn't happen. So we thought of seeing them, try to match them again and again, but this was not good. So we thought of okay, let's stop our shopping time here because it's been already 4 to 5 hours we've been into shops and searching them, but we couldn't like it. So we thought of coming next day or seeing it, but at least we thought of अगर एक भी मिल रहा तो सही है भाई ले लेंगे, but that didn't happen unfortunately because that is how wedding shopping is, guys. Like you can't get everything at in one point, so you should have ample time to actually go and research about those things. I hope you guys like it. Please follow for more.